exercise 7.6, question number 2, subsection 5. F of x equals cos x sin x plus 5 when the interval is 0 to 2 pi. Whenever sin x cos x comes in calculus questions, let us remember the trigonometry formula. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Therefore, sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x by 2. F of x is rewritten as sin 2x by 2 plus 5. Find out the derivative. Since the question is to find local extremum using the first derivative test. As we find out f dash of x, 1 by 2 as it is, sin 2x will become cos 2x. Because 2x is coming, it will become into 2 plus constant will become 0. 2 and 2 we can cancel. The very next step, put f dash of x equals to 0. Cos 2x 0 tells me 2x is odd pi by 2. Cos 0 tells me odd pi by 2 will be the value. What do you mean by odd pi by 2? 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2 and so on. It could be either positive or negative. X is equal to plus or minus pi by 4 as I divide by 2, plus or minus 3 pi by 4, plus or minus 5 pi by 4, plus or minus 7 pi by 4 and so on. Look at the interval given to us. The interval given is 0 to 2 pi. Out of these values, which all will come under 0 to 2 pi? Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. All the negative values eliminate because our interval starts from 0. 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. The moment I cross, the next number is 9 pi by 4, which is more than 8 pi by 4, that is 2 pi. So, my question is 0 to 2 pi. So, stop with this. This belongs to 0 to 2 pi. These are the critical values. As we mark the critical values in the interval 0 to 2 pi, the interval is split into 0 to pi by 4. The very first interval 0 to pi by 4. Pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. And in the end 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi. Only for 0 and 2 pi, as it is given closed interval, we can put. For all other values, remember to put only round bracket. Select x value in each interval. Before pi by 4, I can put pi by 6. Pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, you can put pi by 2, 90 degrees. 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. You can put 4 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. In between 4 pi by 4, that is pi. After 5 pi by 4, I can remember 6 pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 2. After 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi, I can say this is 2 pi minus, so I can put 2 pi minus pi by 6. The difference is pi by 4, so you can put 2 pi minus pi by 6. As I substitute in f dash of x is cos 2x. Check which quadrant, that is enough. We need sine alone. And we remember, out of the 4 quadrants, this is first, second, third, fourth quadrant. Here cos positive, here cos negative. In third quadrant also cos negative, fourth quadrant cos is positive. The derivative is cos 2x. I am bothered about cos 2x symbol only. Pi by 6 is in first quadrant. 2x I want. 2 into pi by 6, that is 60 degree. That is also first quadrant. First quadrant cos is positive. When I put pi by 2, cos 2 pi by 2. Cos 2 pi by 2 is cos pi. That is which quadrant? Second quadrant. And second quadrant cos is negative. Again when you put pi, cos 2 into pi. Cos 2 into pi is here. So that is fourth quadrant where cos is positive. When you put 3 pi by 2, cos 2 into 3 pi by 2, that is 6 pi by 2, which is nothing but 3 pi. 3 pi is in third quadrant, and therefore in third quadrant cos is negative. Finally, 2 pi minus pi by 6. When I multiply by 2, it is 4 pi minus pi by 3. 4 pi, 2 pi, 4 pi minus pi by 3, which is fourth quadrant, and therefore here also cos is positive. So whenever I say plus, I will say strictly increasing. Negative tells me strictly decreasing. So alternatively we have found out it is increasing and decreasing. Remember the idea. Increasing to decreasing, increasing to decreasing, it is maximum. So the word local from plus to minus, this number is common, pi by 4. So I will say maximum at pi by 4. The next one, decreasing to increasing, decreasing to increasing, it is minimum. So minimum at, what is the common point? 3 pi by 4. So minimum at 3 pi by 4. The next value, increasing to decreasing, again I will say maximum. The common number is 5 pi by 4. Maximum at 5 pi by 4. Now it is decreasing to increasing, minimum at 7 pi by 4. All these values, let us evaluate what is f of x value. So what are the values we get? Let us take and write the answer. We have taken and written the answer. F of x strictly increasing in 0 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi. F of x is strictly decreasing in pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. Now where and all we have written local maximum at pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Find the value. When x is pi by 4, f of x is sine 2 pi by 4 by 2 plus 5. Sine 2 pi by 4, if I cancel, it is sine 90. Sine 91. 1 by 2 plus 5, which is nothing but 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. If I put 5 pi by 4 also, same answer only will come. Sine 2x by 2. 2 into 5 pi by 4 by 2 plus 5. Again it is 5 pi by 2. Sine 5 pi by 2 also plus 1 only. 1 by 2 plus 5, that is 11 by 2. Once I find both are same, take and write the answer. Local maximum equal to 11 by 2. What are the next two values? Local minimum. Where do you get local minimum? At 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. X is equal to 3 pi by 4, x is equal to 7 pi by 4. Substitute the value 3 pi by 4 as well as 7 pi by 4. Check whether you get same minimum value. F of x is sine 2 into 3 pi by 4 plus 5. 6 pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So it is minus 1 by 2 plus 5. 10 minus 1, 9 by 2 we get. Similarly, when x is 7 pi by 4, sin 2 into 7 pi by 4 by 2 plus 5. It is 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2 is 1 pi by 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are in third quadrant. Again it is minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 plus 5, which is 9 by 2. So let us take and write the answer. Local maximum equal to 11 by 2 at x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to 5 pi by 4. Local minimum equal to 9 by 2 at x is equal to 3 pi by 4 and x is equal to 7 pi by 4. And we have already written the intervals where it is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing, and this is the answer.